Today we are going to be building another horror game, but this time, instead of picking a monster from this area, we're going to be using AI to build our own monster. So we're going to see which one is better. This one over here with all these monsters right over here, or AI. So let's find out which one is better and just test it out. So I've tested out many monsters with this area, and they're pretty good. Some of them, a lot of them, it's debatable, but most are pretty good. Now, I haven't tested it really with AI, so the question is, can AI really build a good horror monster? Because I added a scary monster with tall scary monster with pathfinding, so we're gonna see if it's gonna be able to move. And then let's go to test here and let's hit test. It doesn't even move. What? Okay, let's reset that. Oh wait, we have to continue. It wasn't done yet. I thought it said it was done. Hmm. I just misread that, but anyways, yeah. So we're gonna be building a game entirely with AI. Most of the time, I build games with both, which is looking up stuff here, adding stuff here, or sometimes I use AI. But this time, we're gonna see if AI can really build a decent game. So, we're not gonna use this. We're only going to use this right here. And we're gonna see, and the video title is gonna be, can Roblox AI really make a good game? That's the title. Because that's what we're trying to figure out in today's video. If AI can really make a good game, just like other developers. So we're going to be doing this entirely with AI. No looking up anything and all that stuff. Like, we can look at stuff and we can like refer to the names, and we just can't add them though. We're not gonna add these. So yeah. So we're just gonna clear that. We're gonna delete this. We're gonna add a rig. So we're gonna add a rig, and then we're gonna make it have a creepy face. And just know that I'm using only AI, so I'm not gonna edit anything. I'm not gonna skip any parts. Just to let you know, I'm not using any of these. In fact, let me get rid of this just to show you I'm not going to use that. Because we're only using AI, and we're only seeing if AI can actually make a really good game, or if the AI is overrated. And I used it before. It's really good with building games. And where's the rig? What? I don't see the rig. What? Add a rig to the base plate. Hopefully that works. I don't know. I don't even know where the rig is. Unless if it. Where? I don't even see it. It's not even up. Yeah, it's not even here. Yeah, it's not even. Okay, so Okay, so it's taking a while to generate this. Where? Okay, maybe we just need to wait. And like I said, I can't add a rig. You're like, why are you not adding a rig? Well, the thing is, this video, I can't add anything. That's the thing. You think I'm lying, but I'm not. Okay, you know what? Let's just clear conversation. Delete these figures. Let's do add a monster. So I hope it adds a monster to the base plate. Response. Okay. Not showing up here yet. I think we need to give it some time before it actually shows up. And then how it works. Scary monster. Oh, here it is. Oh, what is this? I guess this will work. Make it more realistic. So maybe make it more like human-like and humanoid. Let's just see what AI comes up with, and we'll go from there. So hopefully it makes this thing more realistic. Because I really want to put the AI to the test and actually push its limits. And we're going to find out if AI can really build a game. Because I know there's people out there that's done AI before and made AI videos, but we are going to build an entire game out of it. Even though it may take a while, it might be over an hour or something. So could take a minute because it even says generation is taking longer. So the only problem is like now we add trees, but is AI really going to add trees around the map, or is it just gonna place one tree like right here and be like, yeah, that's all over the map? All right. Okay. I don't know how long this is gonna take. Because also I would add more stuff while this is going, but since we're only using AI, we have to wait for the AI to actually work and do its magic. So yeah. Actually, let's not make it realistic. I think his head is pretty good. Okay, let's just clear conversation. And then let me back up a little bit just to make sure it actually moves and doesn't just stay in one place. Because I know before when AI does it, it sometimes stays in place. It's okay, so it works, but we'll just name it, monster. Make monster. Chase. So it already has. So the AI made it already move, and it can kill the player. But for some reason, it spins in a circle. That's the only thing that AI messed up on. So hopefully this makes it so it would actually chase the closest player to him, and that would be fixed. But we'll just have to wait and see while the AI builds all this, and yeah, so yeah. Alright, and then we're just going to test here, and to make sure that the AI, okay. So, I don't know why it keeps doing that. Let me look at this thing. Maybe we need to get rid of monster humanoid. Okay, let me get rid of that and let's test here. Use maybe the humanoid. Oh yeah, it was. I mean, it still kills you. Wait, what? No, it doesn't. Okay. Let's go back. Let's do make it so MOSTER chases the player. So now that I got rid of the actual code for it, hopefully this new code that I'm adding for the AI, hopefully it works, and then yeah, hopefully it works, and then hopefully it works, and then yeah. So it's generating a response right now. Command code. Let's generate a response again, and scripts. So hopefully this new humanoid. Oh yeah, it just added a new humanoid because I deleted the humanoid and just added a new one. So hopefully this humanoid should make it so it chases the player, and hopefully it works. Just drop something. Generate multi-edit. So this is where it's putting all the pieces together and to make this code exist, and hopefully it works. Let's generate another multi-edit. Okay, here we go. This should be the code. And now that we have the monster system, let's see, it's finished now. Let's test here and see if it actually chases the player. Okay, so for some reason the monster just keeps spinning in place. Okay, we're gonna need we need to type in a new thing. So, add a killer rig. Maybe that sounds different. Maybe it works like that now. We're already like 10, 15, 20 minutes into the video, and so far I haven't even gotten progress except for like making the entire base plate. Well, not the entire thing, but this is like the starting point. It's a lot harder with just doing AI instead of just adding other things to it. So, I mean, is it really possible? It could be, but I mean, we'll just see. Because it's so far AI is just proving itself wrong. So let's just wait and see. Okay, generating multi-edit. It should be done almost soon. Oh wait, is she it? No. Well, this is a. Oh my god, this is a big code. Okay, yeah, this should be enough. Okay. We hit test here and just see. What? Wait. Okay, let's do. Or is it model? I think it's model, and then we attach this to that. Let's hit test here. Okay, for some reason it can kill you, but it can't. Yeah, you literally just got another strike too. Get me out of this. I want to weld. Don't want to attach either. Delete. Okay. There's something going on. Okay, so just add a normal rig. Hopefully it just adds a normal rig, and then we can modify it that way. Because so far, I don't really have anything on this game. I really do need something. But so far, seems like it's really difficult for the thing to create actual monsters. Okay. Set it, added it. But I don't see it. Where's the normal rig? I don't see the normal rig. What? Where's the rig? Ugh. And I kill it to the map and make it scary. Hopefully it goes like that. I don't know why it's so difficult. It's really good with adding up health bars, sprint bars, and all that stuff. For characters, when it comes to characters, it sucks. I hate to say it, but it's either one, they just spin, or two, they just stand still and they just kill you when you walk up to it. So, or they just fall apart. So there's 3 things that can go wrong with it. It's like, I don't know if I'm just hitting the wrong spot or typing in the wrong thing, and then there's a specific way to word it so that way the AI knows what I'm trying to say. I just don't know. I don't know if that's how it works, but I mean, I could be totally wrong or I could be totally right. I don't know. Well, it's adding the scary monster. I can't add anything over here. I can't just open up. I can't open up anything else. Because then I can't really. Yeah, can't really open up the toolbox properties or. I mean, I can open up properties. I just can't open up toolbox because that's where everything is. I'm not going to use that. Generating multi-edit. Okay, so this is putting everything together. Just hopefully this code works. And I do see the name. Ooh, I do see a little red right there. He's under the map. Why is he under the map? I want to see what he looks like. Oh. Seems like it's just gonna fall apart. This just seems like it's gonna fall apart. What the? There was a whole other dimension under here. Oh. I mean, it works. I'm actually surprised. So, I'm actually really impressed. AI actually did something that looks scary, and it also has red, so it actually looks scary in the dark. It's generating multi-edit. I think it didn't fully finish the code, but so far the code is actually working pretty well. So, yeah. So far this guy is actually working pretty well. And then since it's generating multi-edit, we'll just wait here. And it should be done in about 4 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now. No. Okay, never mind. Well, it's loading in. What's his properties? We're gonna look at his properties. So we got humanoid blade. Does he really need that blade though? I mean, I guess we could keep it. Well, yeah, we don't really need it. And then generating response. Oh, footstep sounds. We're adding footstep sounds. But let me turn up my volume really quick. I'm just worried it's gonna cause a lot of noises and I don't know. Test here. Can you move? What? Wait, what? He can't. You're telling me he can't work with his blade? Are you serious? You have to be kidding me. How the blade didn't matter? Breathing sound? Did I seriously mess it up? Destroy. Generation is taking longer than expected. Okay. I don't know if I ruined him though, and I noticed that his arms are a little gapped. Sir, you have a little split in between your arms. Did you break it? What did you do? Yeah, so you have a little gap right there. It can go right through it. My mouse can just go right through your arm, sir. What happened? What happened, sir? Are you okay, sir? Oh, they're just two giant eyeballs. Okay. We're just chilling while we wait for AI to finish. Because if we don't get to fully make this a game, then I guess AI is unworthy of making a whole game. It's only worthy of making a lot of things, but some things it can't really do a lot. Or at least not yet. Okay, hold on. Let me just test here. Okay, so we're making it chase and kill a player again. For some reason, the sword had the brain. Because as soon as I deleted the sword, it just stopped. I don't know if that was because it was continuing the script and it was that he was chasing early in the script, or if it was part of the sword and the sword was part of him basically making it so he can chase the player. I don't know, but it's generating multi-edit, so let's just see what it does. Okay. Accept. Okay, and it is finished. Let's test here and just see how it works. This doesn't work. Okay, we're gonna need to delete him. Or what if we delete his humanoid? Let me do make killer chase the player. So since we deleted his old humanoid, hopefully it works. Response. I was typing in the code. Killer has a humanoid. Generating multi-edit. accept. And okay, moment of truth. Does this work? Nope. It doesn't. Okay. Add a realistic noob. Maybe adding a realistic noob would really work. Hopefully. So it seems like AI is horrible at making monsters. It's good at making game mechanics, game functions, game features. It's just when it comes to objects and all that stuff, it feels like it's not that good. Because they sometimes work, but then most of the time they don't. And then, so they do work, and then randomly they just have a bug. Or not have a bug, but they just, like, sometimes stop. Which is weird. So, I don't know. What is this? How is it? I hate when it has to take generations, taking longer than expected. Ooh. Or just add a noob. To add a noob. Because I don't know if a realistic noob was doing something about the camera. It was saying something about camera affecting. Oh, here we go. Starter character. Okay. Wait, what? What? Why is it over there? Why are you over there? What? I just saw you. You was that? Am I going crazy? Okay. Now I'm gonna name it monster. Monster, and then what? There's two. We do the script. There's two, apparently, which was weird. Where's the noob? Don't see it. It says generating response. Wait until it says it's in the Explorer. I'm just waiting until it says that. Okay, I see noob. Is it underground? Oh, it's under here. Name it monster. I'm going to delete this humanoid. And we're going to add in a new humanoid. Chase. Script. Hopefully it works. Seems like okay, monster humanoid. So it obviously worked. Generating response. Command code. Generating response again. Perfect. Okay, let's test here and just see. What? Make it chase the player. Should make it chase the player automatically. I don't know why it's not chasing the player. It seems like it's horrible at making objects and all that stuff. It's good at making game mechanics like health, sprint, functions of the game. It's only when it comes to objects in the game. For example, like rigs, all that stuff. It can't really make 3D models really, and yeah. But I mean, it's not really working for some reason. Test character. Okay, so hopefully it should work now. Let's hit test here. Is it gonna chase me? Nope. Doesn't even do anything. Okay, so while AI is really good at making functions, it personally for me, it can't really make anything like monsters basically, unless if I'm doing something wrong. But let me know down in the comments, and I will try again and again. But that was part 1 of testing if AI can really make a game. Alright, later guys, bye.